Guys, how are you guys? In this video I'm going to show you guys when I got the full wilt again. It's my second time getting the full wilt. So the last time you saw it and it was higher bet, I think, but this time again is a lower bet. I've been trying and trying. I have played many times. Don't think it's just like once off. I just log in and it happened. It didn't happen like that. So let me show you guys what happened exactly, and then I hope you wanna enjoy this video, and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Hello guys, okay, that's what happened exactly. Just one spin, I was in a bonus. I didn't go to the next stage, but that's what happened, guys. Let me just replay once more. I'm surprised what happened. I never thought it will happen again. It happened today, the same time you are watching this video today, on the 24th of October. That's when it happened, exactly this time. All right, it was so quick. It was a quick bonus. I didn't, and sometimes when we doing this with higher amount, we don't really, it does not really come. Only I think the last time it came when I was playing with 150. That's when it came 5 wilt. That's when I got them. But when you're playing with higher amount, look at this. I just wanted you to see first so that I can give the remark or comment. Look at this. Nothing is happening. I'm still having 40. I haven't hit anything yet. And the other thing that I'm surprised about, why when I get full, why didn't it takes all of them, 40 of them? That's why I'm surprised. I thought maybe if you can got full wilt is gonna take you to 40, but it didn't. Look at what happened. Just look at this. We only managed to, with here is supposed to be a full jackpot, guys. I mean, in terms of the wilt there, it was left with 15. I was supposed to go to the next stage. This one, I was supposed to go to the next stage. But anyway, I couldn't go to the next stage. I don't know why. But that's how the game is set. So there's nothing I can do with that. Then I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. I'm playing too much, guys. Just that when you are playing and focus on money, playing for money too much, like it's not easy for the contact. But thank you guys for watching, and don't forget, if you're a new member, to subscribe. Soon we're gonna be 24/7 here in the YouTube. You know it. I'm just waiting for the exams for the students to finish. Then we're gonna work like never before, and I will catch you guys in the next section. Bye.